Tier at the bottom for those I haven't tried, and at the very end, we're gonna put one candy in the god tier. Oh my god, dude. The commercials? Lifesavers, lifesavers, lifesavers. The sours? S. The hard candy? S. Dude. These, I love Jolly Rancher. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. And then actual nerds, Sweet Tarts gummies, never had. Sweet Tarts rope bites, never had. Sweet Tarts ropes, never had. Twizzler, whatchamacallit? I've never had a whatchamacallit. I need to figure out the god tier candy. What is our god tier candy?